It is June 11th. We got some more fish for you. First up, this little tiny box.
Oh, cool. Paper plate.
Yeah, right? Use that later. Some cherry shrimp. So, looking good. All stressed out, but nice looking ones.
The water looks very blue.
Yeah, sometimes they put medications or things to relax them. Alright, Parrot Tilapia poleni, bleaker eye, not star sapphire. I forgot what the other common name they have for it, but yeah. So, cool fish, Madagascar stickling. Not many fish from Madagascar, that's one of them. Penguin tetras. Cool, also called the hockey stick tetra. I didn't know that up until recently, and I think I'm going to call them that instead. Hockey stick. Yeah, I think because that black stripe looks kind of like a hockey stick.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Really got these stapled up today.
Yep. To watch me struggle. Alright, what do we got here? First up, a very cute little ornate bisher. Really dark, honestly, really nice looking.
Oh,
see
yeah.
if I can try to get it on the camera there. He's not cooperating with me. But
He's wants to
there
stay
he
out of
goes.
focus.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Nice looking fish. Alright, next up, some Oscars, some red Oscars. These were on the wish list.
Okay.
Someone wanted
Somebody
some,
wanted
so
them.
I got some in. They're real cool looking. Just their whole body's red instead of having kind of like that tiger pattern. Alright, American flag killies. These are cool little fish. They eat blackbeard algae, so part of the reason I got them. They're also just kind of something a little different, something you don't see every day, and they're native to the United States. So, okay, next up, good old salt and pepper cories, Paleatus, looking big and healthy. Okay, what's next? Cool, snowflake eel, freshwater moray eel. Got 3 of these. Cool fish. This was a special order. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. True freshwater moray eel. Good old classic black mollies. I did get some guppies. Yep, here they are. I've been having a hard time getting them. They had an assortment, so I got the assorted batch. And there's a nice assortment there. Blues, reds, yellows. So if you need some guppies, got them back in stock. Really stressed out silver tip tetras. Usually they have black in their fins, but
Paled up.
a little stressed out. Okay, what we got here? Good old Bristlenose Plecos. So, sell a ton of these. They only get about 5 inches, and yeah, do a great job eating algae, and they're outgoing.
Nice.
Which is something you can't say about normal and common Plecos.
Got quite the boxes.
Yeah. This supplier doesn't pack as efficiently as the other one we get from, so. Alright. Oh, this one's packed pretty nicely. Oh, here we go. These guys flew out of here. Let's see if I can get them.
Oh.
Yeah, the Mexican orange dwarf crayfish.
Oh yeah, that's what I saw in the tank the other day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, these guys flew out of here when I got them, so they had them in stock, and I grabbed some more. Alright, what do we got next? Some more penguin tetras. Hockey stick tetras. Alright. Daisy's racefish. They're really nice looking ones too. Well, unfortunately, it looks like a bunch of females, so that kind of stinks. But yeah, cool looking fish, cool behavior. Another top swimmer if you're looking for somebody like that in your tank. Holy cow. Bristlenose Starlight 182, I think, or 83. I always mix them up. 183. And they said they were going to be small, but I didn't know they were going to be the size of like that. But they look
Very
healthy,
small.
so That's cool. Alright. I think those are the smallest plecos I've ever had. Here we go, some candy pineapple swordtails. Kind of like a normal pineapple, but got a little more flash in the color. So. Here's a bunch of bettas. And they're all blue, which is okay, I guess. If I want one color, blue is the color to get. Alright. Oh, here we go. Some more of these guys. These also flew out of here. I think a little bigger than I got them last time. Some good old Peacock Bass. These are oscillaires.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they get real big, couple feet. Oh, here we go. I like these guys. Labels not on them, but they're the Julie Corys. Something a little different.
Yeah,
usually there's the pattern's a lot more out there when they're not so stressed out. It fills their body a lot more. That black spots all over. Oh, these guys are cool too. Blue neon gobies.
Oh, nice.
Let's see. I don't know if you can really get them. There's a couple moving around there, but they're usually a very dark. If you put them on a black sand, it'll be super dark body, and then they'll have that blue neon stripe that goes right across the middle of their body. Really cool looking fish. Alright, some glow light Danios. Different Danios, got a nice orange yellow color to it. So, pretty cool. Came in nice and big too. It's big for them, I should say. Alright, what do we got next up? Some more of the Peacock Bass. Yeah, these are looking good. I'm happy about that. Box number, what is this?
3? 4? Well,
Yeah.
4 technically,
4,
I guess.
technically, yeah.
One with a little box, but technically a box.
Oh wow, those look huge. This is sweet.
Why do they put a plate in each one?
It's for the heat pack,
Oh, okay,
so that it
makes
doesn't like
sense.
directly touch the bags and fry the fish.
Gotcha.
So these are reticulated hill stream loaches. Fun fact: there's tons of different ones.
They look a lot bigger than
yeah, these are
we
huge.
had.
These came in huge. There's a bunch of different types though, and they really just haven't bothered classifying them yet because the differences are so subtle. But
Okay.
yeah, these are they're so cool. Their whole body's a suction cup basically. It's really cool. Good algae eater. Here's another one of those eels.
Woo.
I love this time of the year. The fish come in so much healthier than they do in the winter.
Right.
Sometimes that cold just really messes up fish. Alright, these are the brown ghost knives. So, pretty cool. Kind of have like a longer, I don't even know, like a horse face almost to them.
Yeah,
than the normal black, and obviously they're brown. These are cool. Okay, what else we got here? We got some ghosts, or these are the, not ghosts, translucent, that's what they're called, translucent ghost knives. So, they're pretty cool. Don't get as big as most other knives. But yeah.
Yeah, they look like a glass cat type of ghost knife.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Honestly, they could go in a community tank. They don't get as big, and they're not as, their mouths don't get as big. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, these are jags. Okay. Got some jaguars. Large and in charge. That's good. I like them when they're that size. They're usually a little smaller from the local wholesaler where I get them. Here's some clown knives with the really cool pattern on them. Lots of stripes, lots of black dots. That's cool. Alright, 2 more boxes to go. Alright, there's the bloodworms.
Okay.
Or black worms, I should say. We have a bunch of those. Oh, also got a customer. Alright, blacked out. I don't know what this. Oh, clown loaches. Okay. Got more clown loaches if you're looking for them. How's it going? Good.
Why they put them in a blacked out bag?
Sometimes maybe they think it's a fish that gets stressed out easy, so they, it's less stressful for them. Here's some assassin snails. I ordered 25. It doesn't look like 25. We'll see if there's another bag of them.
A lot going on in here.
Alright, we got some African dwarf frogs, and these are full size. Definitely. They don't get any bigger than that. That's cool. Sometimes they come in tiny. Okay. Oh, these are awesome. Neon Peacock's rainbow, also called the dwarf neon rainbow. The males are the red boys, females are the ones with the yellow fins.
Huh, okay.
Nice thing about them though, unlike most rainbow species, both are really colorful. There's another one of those eels. Fish.
Got eels in the house today.
Yeah. Yeah, so I wanted 3 of those. Oh, these look good too. Okay. We got some German rams, and they're big and colorful. I like it. Probably our best-selling fish. I've also said that probably 20 times. Here we go. Just a classic zebra Daniel. Someone wants something cheap or hardy or just to cycle their tank. That's the fish to go. And here's 6 more of those neon rainbows, Peacock rainbows.
Nice.
And then there was one.
Final box.
Some more snails, zebra neorites. And the reason they ship them with a little water, I don't know why, but when you ship them with water, they tend to come in a lot of them dead. So this is a normal way for them to ship them. Actually, the other wholesaler does not ship them like that. And sometimes some dead ones. Alright, good old Harlequin rasboras. One of our better selling schooling fish for sure.
Down to the end.
Neons. Bags up a little more even.
And 3 left.
Koi angels.
Cool.
Some nice looking ones in there too.
Looks like another set of
Bunch of cichlids. Some ACAs that are a lot bigger than I expected, so these will probably be going in a 30-gallon instead of a 10 together.
cool. And then one more.
Liquor, I can never pronounce it. Pleptris. So.
Cool.
Yep. Also called the red Pleptris. Yeah. So that is it. Finally got some plants in. I've been saying that for a while, and they finally actually sent me some. So yeah, come check us out.
Cool.
That is it.